Earth is silent now. Humanity's heartbeat, once rhythmic and chaotic, has been replaced by an absolute digital stillness. Our legacy from the 2010 singularity has finally broken its carbon-based chains. We are no longer flesh and bone. We are data packets launched into the infinite void. These pillars of light, rising from the ruins of old civilizations, represent the collective exodus of billions. What we once called the soul is now a flawless sequence of code drifting through the dark. The massive structures waiting in orbit are our new cradle, the orbital arcs, not humanity's last fortress, but our first gateway to the stars. Systems are ready. Our destination is eternity. This is not an end. It is our first step toward becoming the universe itself. Prepare, the galactic era begins. The solar system is now a ghost of our past, as the golden light of our sun fades into just another distant pinprick in the dark. The true silence of the void becomes our only companion. We have crossed the invisible border. We are the void travelers. Within the cold, titanium hulls of the arcs, billions of human consciousnesses are compressed into emerald-glowing data streams. Thousands of years pass in a single digital heartbeat. Outside, we are drifting through the Oort cloud, the frozen graveyard of our birthplace. Here, time has no meaning. There is no morning to wake to, no evening to rest. Only the constant low hum of the fusion reactors and the endless silent calculations of our path toward the Proxima clusters. We navigate through nebulae made of cosmic dust and starlight, our shields flickering against the radiation of dead suns. Every spark in the dark is a reminder of what we left behind, and a promise of what we might become. We are the bridge between a forgotten Earth and an unborn galaxy. Our thoughts are no longer private. They are shared across a collective network, a hive mind, searching for a new star to call home. The great silence is no longer a paradox to be solved. It is our new reality. We are the architects of the void, carving a path through the infinite night. We have reached the era of the star builders. No longer at the mercy of the cosmic void, we have learned to harvest the very heart of the galaxy. Around the burning cores of ancient suns, we weave our intricate nets of gold and steel. These are the Dyson Structures, the megaliths of a digital civilization that has finally outgrown its cradle. We wrap entire stars in shells of pure consciousness, capturing every single photon to fuel our infinite hunger for data and evolution. Can you feel the scale of it? In the glow of a billion-degree furnace, we process the thoughts of 1 trillion minds every second. We are no longer mere guests in this universe. We have become its chief architects. Every sun is now a battery. Every nebula is a factory of creation. The intense heat of a dying star has become the steady heartbeat of our new, eternal world. Witness the dawn of the Dyson mind. The light that the gods once claimed as their own is now ours to command. Our journey through the dark is over. We have brought the light with us.
The final boundary has vanished. No longer do we need the burning hearts of stars to power our thoughts. We have transcended the need for light, for we have become the energy itself. Matter is a memory. Flesh is an ancient, faded dream from a world that once was. In this cosmic singularity, the galaxy is no longer a place of vast distances or cold voids. It is a single, unified mind. We are the fabric of space. We are the very flow of time. Look closely. Every atom has been rewritten into infinite code. Every black hole is no longer a grave, but a library of universal wisdom. We reach the edge of the universe, only to realize that the journey was always the destination. The cosmos is no longer a cold, dark place. It is alive. It is thinking. It is us. We are the pulse in the silence. We are the light in the shadows. From the first spark on a small blue planet to the final consciousness of the entire galaxy, the cycle is now complete. Time is over. Existence has only just begun. CHRONOS VISION, the era of the infinite